Okay, Dane, you ready? Ready to go inside the bowl? You like it, Dane? You trapped? Right here, Dane, look. Look. Right here. Oh, your shoe fell off. Come on. The shoe fell off. Give me your shoe. Come on, let's do it again. I had fun. Come on. Sit down. Put your shoe on first. Don't put your sock on the grass. Grass is gonna get wet. Hold this. Don't touch the screen. Okay, come on, let's go. Up to the mountain. Up the mountain, come on. Okay, come on. Inside this way. Inside this way. In that way. Good, go inside. Okay, afterwards. We'll go afterwards. Come on out, Dane. Yay! Oh, that was fun.